If your agents are still manually setting ticket priority, category, and team assignments after every new ticket comes in, you are leaving automation on the table. Zendesk triggers can do all of that in under a second, the moment a ticket is created. This is how. A VIP customer submits an urgent billing issue. Someone has to open it, set priority to high, assign it to the billing team, and tag it correctly before anyone even starts working on it. That overhead on every ticket adds up to hours of admin work every week, work that triggers can handle automatically. Before you build, know the limits. Drop-down and checkbox fields work reliably in trigger actions. Multi-select lets you add or remove values. Text fields accept only static content. Placeholders like ticket requester name will not resolve. And lookup relationship fields cannot be set directly at all. Start at Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Triggers. If you already have dozens of triggers, scan for an existing one that could be extended. Fewer, well-organized triggers are far easier to maintain than a long list of overlapping ones. Click Add Trigger. Name it clearly. Instead of Priority Trigger, use something like Set High Priority for VIP customers. Add a description with the business reason. Group it into a category like routing or SLA management. Future you and your teammates will thank you. Conditions decide exactly when your trigger fires. Meet all conditions users and logic. Every condition must be true. Meet any conditions users or logic. Just one needs to match. Use ticket creation events, organization names, tag presence, or subject keywords to target the right tickets precisely. Here is the mistake that breaks most new trigger setups: no loop prevention. If your trigger sets priority to high, add a condition that checks priority is not already high. Without it, the trigger fires again on the very ticket it just updated, and keeps firing. Click Add Action and select the field you want to set from the drop-down. For drop-downs, choose from the predefined option list. For checkboxes, check or uncheck. For text fields, type a static value only. You can stack multiple set field actions in one trigger to update category, priority, and group all at once. 4 patterns support teams use most. Auto-categorize tickets by keyword, so billing words route to the billing team automatically. Escalate VIP org tickets to high priority with group assignment. Set a product field from tags for cleaner reporting, and set follow-up date fields on creation for proactive outreach. 3 limits to know before going live. Text fields reject placeholders entirely. The literal syntax appears instead of the resolved value. Webhooks firing at the same time as triggers can cause race conditions on the same ticket, and lookup relationship fields are read only in trigger actions. They only work inside notification steps. Trigger not firing? Check that all conditions are actually met and look for an earlier trigger modifying the ticket first. Seeing literal placeholder text? That confirms you hit the text field limit. 2 triggers conflicting? Reorder them in the trigger list. The one lower wins. The ticket events log shows every trigger that ran and in what order. When native trigger limits block your automation goals, eesel AI takes a different approach. Instead of building trigger logic, you describe what you want in plain English. The AI reads ticket content, conversation history, and connected data to decide which fields to set and what values to use. And it runs after the Zendesk trigger cycle, so race conditions are not a concern. If trigger syntax, placeholder limits, and loop prevention logic are slowing you down, eesel AI handles all of that automatically. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai, no credit card required.